Students, today we'll begin with our course of accounts, the first chapter accounts, meaning and objectives of accounting. Here, first of all, we have the need for accounting. I want you all to know what is the need for accounting, or why do we need to prepare accounts, and what is the accounting process, how it is done. Each and every questions of this kind will answer. Here it's written, at the end of the year, all businessmen want to know how much they have gained or lost during the year, how much capital is invested in the business at the end of the year, how much amount they are liable to pay and to whom they owe it, how much is owed to them and by whom. So such information can only be provided through proper maintenance of accounts. If we maintain the accounts properly, if we keep a systematic record of each transaction of the business, then only we will be able to answer this type of questions. Also, accounts is not only needed for calculation of profit and loss and to know the financial position of the business, but also for tax assessment, for calculation of tax, for the use of government, and for further reference, for comparison with our competing firms, and for comparison over the years. So these all needs of accounting will be fulfilled only with systematic recording of accounts. Here we have the meaning of accounting. There are many definitions given. I want to show you something. If you see the second definition here, it is given, accounting is the art of recording, classifying and summarizing in a significant manner and in terms of money, transactions and events which are in a part at least of financial character and interpreting the results thereof. So what does it mean? Accounting is the art of recording. First of all, we need to record the transactions that take place. Transactions are the events or are the procedures in which we need to gain money, we need to receive money, or we need to pay money. So any transaction is something where we will pay money or we will receive money from any person for any certain reason. So accounting is the art of recording. First of all, we need to record the transactions of financial nature. Then we need to classify them. Now payments can be made for many things, like for purchasing goods, for payment of salary, for payment of rent, for paying back the loan taken, or for any other reason.